Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Stoke Audi. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Audi TT Coupé Sport Edition. This vehicle features a 2-litre petrol engine pushing out 197 PS. Power is delivered through a smooth S-tronic automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the lovely glacier white metallic paint colour. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, across the front we'll find a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. In the front bumper we'll also find a set of front parking sensors helping you protect that paintwork, and down below the vehicle sits on a set of 19-inch alloy wheels which come in a 5-spoke star design and a silver and black colour combination. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle, we'll explore some features here. Included is a rear view reversing camera, as well as a set of rear parking sensors, as well as a set of twin exhausts poking out the rear bumper. Taking a look into the boot space of the vehicle, we're greeted with quite a large amount of storage space considering the small size of the car. The rear seats can be folded forward, allowing for more storage space in the back. In the rear of the vehicle there are 2 seats with some ISOFIX points. In the front of the vehicle we'll find 2 front sport seats in a combination of Alcantara and pearl Napa leather. Moving up towards the dashboard and centre console area, here we'll find the heater controls for the vehicle. Included is climatic air conditioning as well as 2 front heated seats. Below this we'll have the drive select button as well as a handsome gear selector, and in front of the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed flat bottom steering wheel along with a virtual cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Audi TT Coupé Sport Edition. For any further information, don't hesitate to contact a member of our sales team. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.